On today's episode of Tyreezy's Automotive, I'm here going to teach you guys how to change a turn signal bulb on a 2009 Chevy Uplander. So first what you would want to do is take out these two screws. So I already did. Now we're going to pull this out. Yeah, and then we're going to pull out or twist this housing out. Now, here's the dead bulb. Pull it out. Right? With the old. Now, usually you're supposed to wear gloves with this because you don't want any oils from your fingers to actually blow the bulb. I'm going to just pop it back in. See? Complete. Now, you're going to twist this back. And then, pop it back in. But you want to make sure that these two tabs are in the holes. And then you're going to screw it up. And that's it. The more you know. Like and subscribe.